What's up guys, Cheap Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time we for some reason have another sneaker unboxing. I feel like this is like the fourth one in the past like month or something, which is kind of crazy for me, and I'm actually winning some sneakers and I'm pretty happy about that. If you guys didn't see my last video, last sneaker unboxing is the Yeezy 700 V3 in the dark glow colorway. If not, check it out, it'll be up in the corner. But this is a Nike one that I feel like is a decent collab, but the silhouette isn't anything crazy, so the resale value isn't really great, and obviously it's not my size, so I won't be keeping it. I will maybe sell it or maybe just return it. That's kind of how it works. I want to just see if I like it. I have another one with the same collab. It's obviously the high, not the low, but let me show you guys a sneaker before I get into all that. So I hate these Nike boxes for some reason. The back basically like falls out the whole time, which I don't know why they're doing these ones instead of like the normal ones with, you know, tape, but it's just got a pull tab, but that I'll get real quick. All right, so like I said, good collab. If you guys know the sneaker box that they come in, I think the collab's cool. I haven't actually seen this silhouette in person. It is the Sacai Nike Blazer Low in the iron gray colorway. Honestly, on sneakers, just from the first look of it, on sneakers, these looked like they would have been more like black, and I didn't really pay any attention to the colorway. But if you guys know Sacai collab on the Nike Blazers, they do, or any Sacai collab, they basically make it look like there's two sneakers in one. This one is in the iron gray colorway, so it's got a little bit of suede on it, some leather. Blazer Low, so nothing crazy. I have the Blazer High in whatever the blue color version was. I've worn these a little bit, and I feel like the Blazer Low is a little bit all right. Not my favorite. I feel like the Blazer High is definitely the way to go. Plus, it's made out of leather, and this one's got like some suede on it. So I feel like for the summer, this one would be a fairly decent sneaker. I can't really tell. These look huge, but because I just compared my other one, but I'm pretty sure these are size 11. So these are just a size 11, and Sacai's look really big, obviously, because of like the double thing. So like the sole's really big, and then there's just like this huge heel counter thing on it. But they do come with the double laces. So there's a gray one and a white one in here. I think the colorway is not bad. Obviously, they've had some other colorways of this, but this is probably one of my favorites so far, just because it's pretty neutral and I like the neutral colors. There was one called like the British Tan, which wasn't my favorite because it's like brown and like red and blue or something like that. But I think this one's pretty easy. This one's fairly easy to wear. They look kind of weird because they look like they kind of just like cut off a high because of how it is around the ankle. It doesn't look like it would be the most comfy here, but the padding's like the foam on here is like super thick, so it might be all right. I've never worn Blazer Lows. I'm more of a Blazer High guy, but like let me compare these two real quick. So on like the Blazer High, the heel area just kind of like is a normal like mesh or whatever, and like mesh and foam, and it just like closes in around your ankle, which is nice. But on here's it's just kind of like open foam, so it's kind of like they just kind of chopped off the whole rest of the high. But not bad. I like the colorway. Not really a fan of the silhouette. I feel like a normal Blazer Low would look a lot better. These might just look like super bulky on your foot, but again, I can't put these on my feet, so I will show you guys some b-roll of them. I kind of wish I could, just I want to see how they look like on my ankle, but they just kind of look like flat on the top, which isn't my favorite, but that's like the only thing that's really bugging me. But I do like the Sacai Blazer collab. It's probably one of my favorites because I really like the Blazers. Plus, they don't really go for an insane amount. It's a cool collab, but other than that, I mean, like nothing really too crazy about these. So I will show you guys some b-roll, and then we'll wrap up the video. So again, these are the Sacai Nike Blazer Low in the iron gray colorway. The colorway is good. I'm not really a fan of the Blazer Low. One of the big areas for me that really bugs me that I talked about is this ankle area. I don't know if it would be super comfy, and then just it would be very heavy like low. I feel like it's okay with the highs. Like I said, they're not terrible to wear, and you don't feel like you're just wearing like a brick, but these are really heavy. I mean, you can tell by the double sole and the heel area that they would be really heavy, and you don't have like a ton of extra support around the ankle or anything like that. Plus they're suede, which I feel like you're just gonna mess up a ton as compared to like the leather on those ones. But again, good colorway. I feel like Collab's cool. Blazer Low, maybe not my favorite in this kind of like way. I feel like just a normal Blazer Low, pretty good. But these aren't that crazy. But again, Sacai Collab always does some cool stuff. I like the double look, but maybe not on the Blazer Low. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about these sneaker. Again, colorway's cool, but other than that, not my favorite. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.